Hi viewers, welcome back to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. This side Vishnu. You are watching 3 BHK flat in Kondapur, Hyderabad, near to Hyderabad Central University. This is ready to move 1950 SFT, east facing, available on 11th floor, corner flat, brand new apartment with 2-car parking. Price of the apartment 2 crore 30 lakhs, inclusive all, excluding registration. Very good ventilation across the flat, and you will get sunlight also evening time, and balcony view also lake view apartment, that is permanent view. There is no future disturbance. This is your kitchen with utility. This project approved by HMDA RERA, spread across 10.38 acres, 5 towers, 3 cellars, ground plus 39 floors, total 1400 apartments, exclusive 3 BHK apartments, starting size 1485 square feet to 1933 square feet phase 1, 2124 square feet to 2191 square feet phase 2. Phase 1 is 3 towers, phase 2 is 2 towers. Phase 1 is ready to move, OC received, handover started, people are living. Phase 2 is under construction. We have lower floors, below 5 floors, mortgage flats. If you are really interested, please let us know your requirement. According to that, we are pitching available flats. This is master bedroom with wooden flooring, attached washroom. This is close to Gachibowli, IT Hub, Financial District, and IT City. Close to all hospitals, malls like AMB Mall, Inarbit Mall, Nexus Mall, close by this project. And also, it is very close to international hotels and your daily needs. It is close to Lingampalli MMTS and metro station also Kondapur. If you are interested, please contact on display number to schedule your site visit. For price, for brochure, we will share WhatsApp all details. You can have a site visit, actual flat. Before you are coming, please let us know. We are dealing West Hyderabad, all reputed builders. If you want to purchase, if you want to sell, please let us know your requirement. We will help to you. And also 50,000 square feet clubhouse in this venture, G plus 4 floors, luxury amenities, and open pool. Please subscribe our channel. Click on bell button. You will get notification future videos. Thank you so much. Please follow our channel. Bye.